Larry Hoover is a former Chicago gang leader who co-founded the Gangster Disciples, a powerful street gang. Born in 1950, he became involved in crime at an early age and was convicted of murder in 1973, receiving a 150 to 200-year sentence. While imprisoned, he continued to run the gang, expanding its influence in drug trafficking and criminal activities. In 1997, he was convicted on federal charges for running a criminal enterprise from prison and received a life sentence. Despite efforts to rebrand himself as a reformer, he remains incarcerated under strict conditions.